তবে আগের দিন বৃষ্টি আরো জোরে হচ্ছিল, হাওয়া এর থেকে অনেক বেশি জোরে দিচ্ছিল। আজকে একটু মানে হাওয়া স্পিডটা একটু কম আছে, বৃষ্টিটাও একটু কম আছে, বাট কন্টিনিউয়াসলি হচ্ছে। আর সামনে আমি যে আকাশের অবস্থা দেখছি তাতে আরো বেশি বৃষ্টি হবে সামনের দিকে। লেটস হোপ ফর দ্য বেস্ট। সামনে আর একটা বাম্পার আছে, কেউ যদি না জানে এই রাস্তায় শেষ। সবাই দাঁড়িয়ে পড়েছে টু হুইলারগুলো সাইডে রেখে। So basically I was planning to change the indicator because right now the indicator there is a bulb, light. The light is bulb. Okay. So I was planning to change to LED. The advantage of LED is that the frequency will be higher. Okay. The indicator frequency, the syncing, you see, this is when I connect the LED, it will like this. So the frequency will be higher, so it will be more visible from a long distance. But one thing I need to check is that LED visibility in the fog light, I don't know how much it is effective, because as per my experience in the road, LED is good, it is visible, but in the fog condition, when there is a fog, I don't know how much effective it will be, right? Because light intensity is high, but even when I connect the LED in my headlight, by the way, I connect the LED in my headlight in Himalayan, so the visibility is right now is much more higher than the stock bulb. But it's a special kind of LED that comes with a controller. So otherwise normal LED that comes that directly connect to the H4 connector, that doesn't produce that much of light. Okay, it's just for show off. But this kind of LED which comes with LED controller, it produces a continuous power, the same power. Okay, because whenever we connect the bulb in the headlight, we see that one second. Yeah, so whenever there is a bulb in the headlight, so we throttle up and the light intensity goes higher and higher with the higher throttle. Okay, but in case of this LED, what happened, it maintains its output power, so it doesn't matter even if my throttle is lower, even I'm in a lower speed, the light intensity is fixed. So it is an added advantage with this kind of LED. Also the visibility is good, but the main problem is with the bulb, H4 bulb, the upper and dipper, the difference in the upper and dipper is significant. When you are giving upper, the lower light is off and upper light is on. But in case of LED, what happens is that when you are turning to upper from the dipper, the dipper light is on, and the upper LED will be an added to your dipper LED. Okay, so you cannot signify the changes in the upper and dipper, but overall even in the dipper, the road visibility is pretty much good in this kind of condition, or even in ideal condition. The visibility will be higher if you use the LED. Special this kind of LED that comes with the controller.